Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you 5 free and paid websites to sell your SaaS startup. These are called SaaS marketplaces. Usually, the first one on this list is the most popular one, and that is Flippa. Now, Flippa is one of the best SaaS marketplaces out here. If you want to sell your SaaS for multiple 6 to 7 figures, you can sell it right here. Usually it's 6 figures or more. But around 6 figures, as you can see, you have websites right here. You have trending here. You can go here and type in, for example, fitness, if you have a fitness SaaS or a fitness website. And right here, you will get all the deals for those websites, as you can see. And you can view the listings. You can, filter the listings, and everything is really clear here. So Flippa is one of the best when it comes to a paid website to sell your SaaS startup. This is a paid website. It's not a free website, but you can get a free valuation from their team. Now, second one is called Empire Flippers. This is a free to get started website. It's the #1 curated online business marketplace. Now, here you can not just sell your SaaS, but you can also sell blogs and other, Amazon FBA as well, and other forms of websites and platforms, as you can see. So they publish every new business every Monday. So as you can see, it's really great. You can log in and you can get started and start selling your websites or platforms or SaaS businesses. Number 3 on this list is called Quiet Light. Quiet Light is, again, a really great website. They have a free valuation to discover how much your assets are worth or how much your SaaS is worth. Now, obviously, they will help you as well with the selling. I think you also have brokers that will match you with a buyer here, which is really great. And as you can see, you can view all the businesses for sale here, and you'll be able to, as you can see, go with available, under offer, and then you'll be able to see the businesses. As you can see, $6 million businesses, $10 million businesses. So you have a bunch of different businesses that you can go here and buy, and you can also sell as well. Now, next up is called Site Projectors. This is kind of like Reddit for SaaS businesses and Reddit for selling SaaS businesses. So here you can actually go and sell your SaaS business and you can list it for sale. So as you can see, you have also the teams right here. You have black team and white team. Obviously, I have to log in to show you this, but obviously you can submit a project, very easy. It's completely free, and then you'll be able to go here and again get basically a quote. As you can see, these are not really bigger projects. For example, a Chrome extension that enables note taking while watching YouTube videos, $10,000 for sale. So not really that much of big deals right here. And then you have acquire.com. This is the last website on this list. This is a paid one. Now, this is the best online marketplace to buy and sell startups. Honestly, this is last on my list because all of these before are much better. But for example, Acquire can go alongside with Quiet Light right here because it's similar. And yeah, basically, as you can see, you have expert tools all in one platform, sellers and buyers. So you can get connected with your perfect buyer if you're selling your SaaS. You can also discover your dream startup, evaluate your startup as well, and bunch of different things. You can sell quickly and easily and for the highest price. So this is why acquire.com is great. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different feedbacks as well. So these are a couple of websites and marketplaces that I would recommend personally. Now, if you're someone that is selling bigger SaaS projects, then I would go for Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Quiet Light and Acquire. If you're someone that's selling smaller projects, I would go with Site Projectors or even Empire Flippers as well. So that's what I would do. Obviously, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next video.